What's up everyone? In this video, I'll show you how to contact Spotify customer support. To do so, you'll have to go to the Spotify page on your browser, not the Spotify application. You can open the browser on your phone or computer and go to the Spotify page and sign in. Here I have Spotify homepage opened on my browser, my Chrome browser on my iPhone. Now, what I want to do is to go to the settings at the top right corner here, select it, and you'll see here a support option. If I tap on it, it'll open the support or help page. Here you can find the help for any subject that you want, like payment, app, devices, or you can search for any topic that you want. If you do not find what you are looking for, you can also go to the community to ask any experts or members here. And if you don't find what you are looking for, or you want to contact the customer support directly, just scroll down, and here at the very bottom, you'll see Contact Spotify. If I tap on it, here you can find many options to contact them, like on Twitter, on Facebook, or you can message them directly and the customer support will get back to you.
Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe to Online Success and click on the video on the screen for more help.